Welcome. Ready to see how quickly it is to create your own AI assistant? Let's go. Perfect. Once you sign in, you can jump in and create your organization. This could be the name of your business. In this case, we're going to add Miami Spa. Then you click on Create Organization. Okay, we are going to create our AI assistant in 3 different steps. First, create an AI assistant. Second, add knowledge content. This is the brain of your assistant. And third, send a test message. Let's go with the first one. Create an AI assistant. You click there. We are going to add the name for our assistant. In this case, it's going to be just a name. Then we can choose any template from here. We have our customer service, sales, CRM, etc. You're going to choose the one that fits better with your business needs. In this case, we're going to choose customer service. Then create assistant. Perfect. You're going to see 2 panels, one for the settings and the second one for the playground, where you can test every interaction with your assistant. As you can see, we have the name, then you can choose the model. If you choose auto, it's gonna select the best model based on your input and context. And for sure, you can explore the rest of them. It will depend on the complexity of the task that you need. Remember to choose the time zone. Then you're gonna draft with natural language all your instructions. The goal of your assistant, the tone, the voice, the guidelines, the rules, and any other limitation. If you scroll down, you're going to see more advanced options. Perfect. Now we can test our assistant. Nice. Now let's train the assistant. We're going to go to Knowledge. It's the second tab at the top. This is where you place any relevant information from your business, as FAQs, policies, pricing lists, catalogs, or any other document. You can add audios, videos, CSV, PDFs, or any other type of document. Also, if you don't have any docs, no worries. You can add your website too. So you can index a single page or crawl all subpages from your own domain. That's it for knowledge. Let's go to channels. On channels, you can connect multiple numbers for WhatsApp Business or multiple accounts for each one of your social media. These are native integrations, so it's super straightforward to connect. As a bonus, it's super easy to add the assistant to your website. You can add it on a bubble button or on an iframe. And if you want to test without connecting to any social media, we host a link for you. That's it. Super easy, straightforward, frictionless experience for you. Let's start building yours. Welcome again and see you there.